With the advent of 5G, in order to meet the high density and high efficiency optical cable connection requirements of high speed and large capacity optical communication systems, MPO-MTP products are being widely used. TAKFLY Group is a 21 years manufacturer with rich experience for MPO-MTP products. Include MPO-MPO, MTP-MTP, MPO-MTP-LC, SC, ST, FC, CS breakout cable, MPO cassette, MPO patch panel, etc. Advantages of TAKFLY: CE, ROHS, CPR, ISO14001 and ISO9001 certified. High performance, low insertion loss. Connector fiber count from 4 fibers to 72 fibers. OEM is available. If you need MPO-MTP series, TAKFLY will be your perfect partner.